Hello, everybody, and thank you for tuning in to Turning Over Every Stone. You can call me T.O.E.S. What we have here is the newly released body cam footage of the August 21st, 2022 traffic stop in Moscow of Bryan Kohberger. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share. You saw it here first. Or maybe not. I don't know. But here you go.
Pullman at Farm with Pennsylvania. Lincoln Frank Zebra 8649. Hey there. I stopped you going a little fast. You didn't realize this is 35?
Oh, it's 35?
It is, yeah. So you go.
About 41?
Yeah, 43 is what the radar said.
Sure.
Oh, yeah. Do you have your license, the registration, insurance? Were you wearing your seatbelt when I stopped you? No. No? That's no good.
Right. Just being honest with you.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
You guys are... There's absolutely no point in not being honest.
Yeah.
You have a radar.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Do you have a vehicle registration slip or something like that? Okay.
Or did I give you my insurance?
Yeah, this is your insurance. That's good. Thing is, I'm on a overtime shift right now. One of the conditions is we have to enforce seatbelt laws, and so to write you a citation for that, it's $10 in Idaho. Not a huge deal, but yeah. Be right back. Last name Kohberger, King Ocean Henry, Boy Edward Robert, George Edward Robert, first Brian, Boy Robert Young, Adam Nora, middle C.
And 3292 Pennsylvania, valid 2024 and clear.
Copy. I'll be busy site. Alright, sir, here's your license back. It's here, just an infraction citation. The only thing you're alleging failure to wear your seatbelt on the traffic stop. Like I said, the fine at that's $10. You do have the right to a hearing on this if you'd like one. If you'd like hearing, you need to request it before September 8th at 8:30. Otherwise, they'll automatically be entered against you. You'll lose the right to the hearing. You just wanted to pay it. The mailing address there, website right there.
Yeah, I just have a question about that. So in terms of when you get a speeding ticket that's obviously reported to your insurance, is that the same thing with the seatbelt?
I don't think so. I think it's only moving violations that go to insurance, or things that might put points on your ones.
Yeah.
But I'm not 100% sure.
Long is what I was thinking.
Okay. Could I get a phone number from you?
Yeah, why?
We need to put it on the citation as it goes to the court.
Yeah. Just for future reference, I mean, I'm obviously an honest person, right? I told you I wasn't wearing my safety belt. When people lie to you about that, like say I lied to you about that, right? Just for my own knowledge. Do you honestly go back and look at that, or do you just...
With a seatbelt like this, I didn't check as I was coming up, so that's why I asked you.
Do you usually?
I should. I noticed you weren't wearing it, and I'm on this emphasis, and like I said, I'm getting paid by ICD, and they want us to enforce the seatbelt laws, so I was being more aware of that.
Yeah.
That's where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, have a good night.